Is your organization struggling to move from reactive to predictive decision making? Are you watching your competitors pull ahead with digital innovation? Let me help you unlock the power of digital twins. I'm Rob Llewellyn, and today we're exploring how medium and large organizations are revolutionizing their operations with this game-changing technology. Imagine having a living, breathing digital replica of your entire operation, from manufacturing processes to supply chains, from customer experiences to product development. That's what digital twins offer. But here's the problem. Most organizations are barely scratching the surface of this potential. They're treating digital twins as just another tech tool, rather than a transformation force for business prediction and optimization. But here's the good news. Implementing digital twins isn't as complex as you might think when you understand the key principles. So let's break down the big ideas that are helping successful organizations really leverage this technology. First, you need to think beyond simple monitoring. Digital twins aren't just about seeing what's happening. They're about predicting what will happen. They're about running countless scenarios without risking real-world resources. They're about spotting problems before they occur and optimizing operations in real time. But here's what many leaders miss. The real power isn't in the technology itself. It's in how you integrate it with your business processes and decision-making. It's about creating a predictive mindset throughout your organization. Think about maintenance. Instead of fixing things when they break, you're predicting exactly when equipment needs attention. Think about supply chains. Instead of just reacting to disruptions, you're simulating and preparing for them before they happen. Think about customer experience. Instead of responding to problems, you're preventing them from occurring. But here's the catch. None of this works without the right foundation. You need clear, real-time data flowing through your organization. You need clear processes for turning insights into action. You need your teams to trust and act on predictive insights. You know, the most successful implementations happen when organizations focus on both the technical and human elements. It's about building the right infrastructure. It's about developing the right capabilities, and most importantly, it's about creating the right culture for data-driven predictive decision-making. Now, here's something that might surprise you. The biggest challenges aren't usually technical. They're about change management, skill development, and process adaptation. But organizations that get this right aren't just improving operations. They're transforming their entire approach to business management. They're moving from reactive to predictive. They're shifting from gut feel to data-driven decisions. They're evolving from periodic reviews to real-time optimization. Think about how this could transform your organization. Reducing costs, minimizing risks, accelerating innovation, and improving customer experience. Think about the competitive advantage of knowing what will happen, not just what has happened. Think about the value of optimizing operations before your problems occur, not after they've impacted your business. Here's the thing. Every day you wait is another day your competitors are pulling ahead with predictive capabilities. Every day you operate reactively is a day you missed opportunities and unnecessary risks. Every day you delay is a day you're not building the predictive capabilities that your organization needs. So, are you ready to transform your organization? Check out the links below to learn more about how you can help transform your organization's future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.